Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with another new video of handmade art. My name is Tayyaba Zahid, and today in this video I'm going to show you that there's the three types of decorative pieces. Decorative pieces are used as the decorative materials at the many shops as well as in many homes. So there I have done or I have made three decorative pieces. You can look these pieces. First one is a vase for flowers. This is so much cute and attractive. You can put fresh flowers, rose flowers, as well as you can put decorative flowers or paper flowers. As you can see that I have put the paper flowers in this vase. So guys, you can tell me about this vase. Either you like this vase or not like. Viewers, this is very simple, and this is an attractive creative hand. Next is the decorative lamp. You can put a light inside this lamp. It looks very attractive as well as some very decent. You can put bulb light or as well as direct electricity yourself to use it during the studies time as well as night. The third one is the stylish lighting model. So viewers, you can put the small lightings inside these bottles. This is a basically mixture of three bottles. By putting the flowers upper side, you can look. I have separated the upon all the three models. Spray colors I'm going to use. You can look this paper flowers. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please do a sweet comment as well as like this video, and please give your suggestions. Either you like these models or not like. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Love for all from Tayyaba Zahid.